right, y'all, I'm about to give y'all a review of the Tabitha Brown limited time vegan groceries she got up at Target. I got an assortment of things, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, y'all, so we gonna start off with these vegan plant-based sausage with mango and basil. The directions do say that these can be cooked in a skillet for 10 to 14 minutes. I wish I had a little grill, y'all, but it's okay, I don't. So this is made with water, pea protein, and a whole bunch of extra stuff. It's no soy. I don't see no soy in here. So it's looking like it's soy free. Okay, so I have my heat on medium high. I'm just gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil because I don't have any cooking spray. So we're gonna let that heat up real nice, real right. All right, it even has the casing like sausage, y'all. So I'm gonna just make 2 right now. 1 for today, 1 for tomorrow. Y'all know how it go. A little bit of meal prep. All right, y'all, these things is cooking. We getting there. I'm about to give 2 minutes on each side and let's see what it do. It's burning up my pan, that's for sure. Turning this as much as I can, y'all. These things are getting brown. I like my sausages brown. I don't know about y'all. All right, y'all, while that production is going on behind me with the vegan sausage, I'm gonna go ahead and try the roasted garlic and Parmesan popcorn. I am a popcorn lover, y'all, so let's see. I ain't never had no, hold on. I don't know. This is good, y'all. This is good. If you like garlic, this is good. I'm really a fan of garlic, and then I love cheese too. So the garlic is strong. And then the Parmesan is, I'd say it's about mid-level. It's not too heavy. People will say they sat around and ate a whole bag of this. I can see why. Also, I want to let y'all know this popcorn is gluten-free. It also has some organic cane sugar, so there is a little bit of sweetness to the popcorn. I like this, y'all. Who would have thought I would like a roasted garlic and Parmesan popcorn? I would have never thought. You don't know till you try, so don't knock it until you try it. That's all I got. That's good popcorn. It's been about 10 minutes now. The sausage is looking real dark, y'all. So these have been cooking for 12 minutes. I think it's time to eat it. I'm gonna go ahead and place this into my hot dog bun, and we're gonna have it along with the vegan garlic pasta salad. Okay, so before I plate it, I just want to stir it up. So we see the red peppers, we see the olives, okay, we see the seasoning, okay. I'm excited about this, y'all. All right, here goes the moment of truth. I have not added anything to these items. We just gonna taste them as is, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I personally think about these items. So with the sausage, I'm actually gonna take a small bite without the bread and see how it tastes. Bon appetit, mango and basil. I like that, y'all. I like that. I like that sausage a lot. You can taste the basil. The basil is definitely overpowering the mango. I just taste like a hint of the mango, not too much, but I can definitely taste like the seasoning in there. Very strong, very powerful. Okay, let's taste it with the bread. I like that, y'all. Okay. This mango basil, I may need to get some more of these before this limited series is gone. They're probably out of stock everywhere right now. Hopefully it'll re-up and keep at least that as a permanent item, for sure. Let's move on to the pasta salad. You could just tell this pasta salad has a Black woman's touch. Okay, this is very flavorful. All right, the seasonings are there. It's packed, you can tell, like with Italian seasoning. There's white wine vinegar, the peppers, the olives. I just started liking olives less than a year ago. Like being able to eat them like by themselves. I was like, dang, olives are actually really good. I've had them before, like in sandwiches where you couldn't tell. But I can taste the olives and I like them. Y'all, this is, I don't know. And then that sweet tanginess from the white wine vinegar, this is really good. You can taste like onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper. There's onions. Now Tabitha, you on to something here. You gotta expand with this here now. This is good, y'all. I can sit here and eat this whole 10.6 ounce container of this pasta salad. But due to me being more financially conscious, I'm just gonna eat this amount right here, and we're gonna spread this out throughout the week here because we are watching how we spending. Anyways, this is really, really good. This pasta salad is fine, y'all. You're definitely gonna want to get this. Get this for sure. You're gonna like this. This is so good. All right. Okay, y'all. We moving on to the next item. Moving on. All right, y'all. So we're moving on to these vegan plant-based patties with mushrooms and wine, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and put these in the air fryer at 370 for 15 minutes. Easy to take out. Put that in my air fryer. We got it on 370. Get that 15 minutes. We'll be back. Now, while we wait on our burgers to cook, let's go ahead and try this jalapeno lime hummus, okay? I ain't really rocking with jalapenos like that, so this is definitely going to be interesting. I'm here, y'all. I'm trying new stuff. I got some pita chips, some sea salt pita chips, and I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. See how this tasting now. Okay, that's how it look. That's how it look. Okay. Do it again. Get some of the jalapeno on the chip. That's jalapeno-y. Ooh, Lord. Oh, Lord, thank you. Woo! All right. The jalapeno is jalapeno-ing, okay? It's got that spice, it's got that kick. Okay, this is straight. I wouldn't buy this again. I mean, if I'm at somebody's house and they serving it, like, that's cool, I'm gonna eat it. But I'm not gonna go to the store and like, oh my God, I gotta get this jalapeno lime hummus. Trial and error, y'all. I'm just not a fan of lime and jalapeno in my hummus. The lime isn't super strong, but you can definitely taste the lime in this. And I'm just not a fan of it. All right, let's move on. All right, that's how our burger is looking. So let's go ahead and plate it. Before we plate it, let me just take a little bit, just a little bit, and taste it as is with nothing. Hold on now. Okay, taste it as is. Let's see. Okay, here's what it look like. What it look like, y'all. Let's just, that's hot now. Okay, that's hot. Now this is the mushroom and wine burger. So let's see if it tastes like mushroom and wine. I like that. It's very flavorful. It's already seasoned. It doesn't need more seasoning. I can taste the mushrooms. We'll see a little bit later if I can taste the wine. I might be wobbling all over the place. That's good as is, but hold on. Because I want to make this a cheeseburger, I'm just going to go ahead and add a piece of So Delicious. Let's get this air fryer back on. Just add a piece of cheese on top. Got distracted again. Let's see. Oh, y'all, how did cheese get over there? All right, let me figure this out. Lord Jesus, take the wheel. All right, y'all, I had a little bit of a cheese debacle. Nonetheless, we still got a burger here. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these banana peppers. I'm gonna do too much. I don't want to take away from the flavor that it already has. Add a little bit of this Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, because y'all know I need a little bit of sauce on my burgers. Okay. Potato salad made with red peppers, relish, Dijon mustard, green onions, and garlic. All right, so y'all, let's see what this is about. All right, here we are. It is time to test this mushroom and wine burger. I added all my stuff because now it's a cheeseburger, okay? Bon appetit. Wait, let's pray. Now, Tabitha, you did this one right. You did this one right. This is such a flavorful patty. I mean, I call it a burger. It's called a patty. This is a flavorful patty. Because if I say burger, some of y'all gonna be mad. So let me bring it back and say patty. But this is such a flavorful patty. Oh, y'all, so good. I didn't add any seasonings, and it still has so much flavor packed into it. You can taste like the onion, the garlic, the salt, the pepper. Might be a little bit of paprika in here too that I'm tasting. And then the mushrooms also give it so much flavor, and I don't know what kind of wine is in here. But the wine is giving it something too, okay? It's probably bringing out the juiciness of it. Look at here, y'all. Look at here. And I know this is soy free. It's made with like water and pea protein. So you ain't gotta worry about no soy. This is a great alternative to a burger. Oh, this good, y'all. This real good. You don't have to do nothing to it if you don't want to. If you want to, you can, but you really don't have to do anything to it. Let's move on to this potato salad. Let's see what's popping here, okay? You know, potato salad is an important staple in our community. We want to make sure we can give it a few bites so we can really. Okay. This just tastes like a regular old potato salad. It ain't nothing too special about it. For me, I like a little spice, so I'm gonna add some paprika to it. It's not that it's not good, but it's just straight. You know what I mean? Like, it ain't all that. It's just a regular potato salad. So I'm gonna just add some smoked paprika. Just give it a little kick. That's what it's missing for me, is a little kick. Just a little kick. A little kick goes a long way. The paprika. I ain't really pressed to buy this again, unless I'm like really in the mood for a potato salad, but this is not something I'd buy again. The burger for sure. The sausages for sure. That pasta salad for sure. The popcorn, not too pressed to buy that again. But we do have some good items here, y'all. So go ahead, Tabitha. Much respect. Shout out to you and all that you are doing. Thank you for providing some vegan options for those that like to partake in vegan meals and for those that are vegan. I don't know if it's gonna be in Target by the time y'all watch this, but I hope so. I hope y'all can get some. I hope y'all can get y'all hands on some of these items and try them out for yourself and make it do what it do. All right, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Hey, follow me on Instagram, So Models. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.